Hi, it's Deb from Deb's Days Designs, and I'm back today with another project for you. For today's tutorial, we're learning how to make this cute apple trivet. Use it as a trivet, a hot pad, a pot holder, or just use it on your countertop or table as a cute decorative addition for your fall or back-to-school kitchen. Before I get started, I publish new content frequently, so be sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel or stop by the blog at debsdays.com. And check out my Etsy shop, Deb's Days Designs. That's where you'll find a digital version of this project. You can download it at home and print out the entire pattern. It has the materials list and cutting measurements, step-by-step written instructions, color photos, and the printable template. Or, to save paper, just read through the directions on your device and then print out just the template page. All right, let's get this project started. Along with your regular sewing supplies for this project, you'll need fabric for the apples, fabric for the leaf, fabric for the stem, cotton batting or Insulbright, an optional walking foot, and of course the printable templates. First, place the piece of apple fabric with the right side of the fabric facing up. On top, place the other piece of apple fabric with the right side of the fabric facing down. Center 2 layers of batting or batting and Insulbright on top. Then center the apple template on top of that and pin it in place and cut out the stack. To make a stem, fold the fabric strip in half lengthwise with the wrong sides of the fabric facing each other and press to make a crease. And open it back up. Fold one side to the midpoint crease and press it. Fold the other side to the midpoint crease and press it. Fold the entire piece over and press it. Top stitch about 1/8 of an inch from the edges all the way across and around the fabric strip. Fold the strip in half, making a loop. Open up the top of the fabric and batting stack so the right sides of the apple fabrics are showing. Center the raw edges of the stem at the top of the apple in between the 2 layers of the apple fabric. Make sure the loop is facing towards the inside. Stitch all around the piece using a 1/4 inch seam allowance, leaving a space on the side open for turning. Cut away the batting from the opening seam allowance. And to reduce bulk, use pinking shears to trim the excess fabric and batting from outside the stitching line. Turn the piece right side out and press it. Fold the opening under a 1/4 inch and press it to form a sharp crease. Top stitch all around the entire piece 1/8 of an inch from the fabric's edge. And add additional quilting if desired. Here's a tip: if you're making straight lines, use painter's tape and just stitch down the side of it instead of having to draw onto your fabric. To make the leaf, place 2 leaf fabric scraps with the right sides facing each other. Center the batting scrap on top. Place the leaf template on top of the stack and pin it in place. Stitch around the template very close to the edge of the paper, leaving a space open for turning. Remove the template and trim away the excess batting and fabric to about a 1/4 inch outside the stitching line, and clip the points. Trim away the batting at the opening. Turn the piece right side out and press it. Fold the opening under and press it to form a crease. Top stitch around the entire leaf about 1/8 of an inch from the edge, making sure to catch the section left open for turning. Then stitch a vein down the middle of the leaf, stopping about 1 inch from the end. Or you can make the easy leaf. Place the fabric with the right side of the fabric facing down. On top, place the piece of batting. Add the other piece of fabric on top with the right side of the fabric facing up. Place the leaf template on top of the fabric, pin it in place. Stitch the leaf by sewing around the outside of the template very close to the edge of the paper. Use pinking shears or a pinking blade to trim a 1/4 inch to 1/2 inch outside the stitching lines. Add the leaf to the top of the apple near the stem and stitch it into place. And just like that, just that fast, you have your own apple project to get you in the mood for the fall or back to school baking season. If you'd like to see more projects like this one, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel Check out the blog at debsdays.com or visit my Etsy shop, Deb's Days Designs. See you next time with another project.